In this tutorial, we're going to learn about content. Now, content you would think it's just the information that's on the pages and the pages themselves, but it goes a little bit deeper than that. Content creates many different things. So here, by clicking galleries, this content is created by a certain content type, and I'll show you what that is. Um, Most of the pages, which are the content type basic page, are just straight out pages. Some are generated by other things. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the admin toolbar and click content. What this is going to show you, and actually I'll start with the question you had about media and files and stuff for images. Okay, so here you're going to see a list of all the content. Mission, that type is the calendar, the events for missions. Basic pages or basic page is the normal pages. Articles are for the blog. Events are the major events. Schumann's and other calendar items. Heights is another one. Mission, and I'll go over all of them as we can see here. I'll go over this list. But let me go to the question you had for media and for files and for images. And so if you click here, files, they use the term files, you're going to see a list of all the images used on the site. And and usually these are PDFs are defined. There's 4 pages, so there's like over 200 images, or about 200. And it tells you where it's used. It's used in one place. You can edit it, you can delete it, but basically, what will probably be easier for you is to see the thumbnail view. So you click thumbnail and let it switch over. It'll take a few seconds for all the images, and so they'll start to appear. And here you see all the images and their names. And basically, you can go through each one, go to the second page, and just let those load. Again, this takes a little longer because it's being recorded. It was faster as you're doing it. But here you see all the pages. News images are the news underscore, and I have a PSD for that. Banners are usually banner underscore. Galleries images are gal underscore. So I use some convention for you to be able, and I'll send those other PSDs to you so you have those. Those just have all the sizes. So here you see gallery. I'm just going through each of the, let's say, if you go to the 4th page here, you'll see news item, news images, normal images, events, banners. So here are the banners, so you see a thumbnail. But this gives you an idea of what they're all called, what the name. If there's multiple ones, it's usually, I was going through the process to get to the best one, and it's usually just the latest number. So you see the banner. So let's click banner blue door. And then, oh, sorry. That just selects it. So you can either, let's see what you can either do, refresh. Yeah. So here you can just delete and select. So here's where you get an idea of what they are. If you click them, yes, that it actually takes you to the image. And here you see the name. So that's how you know the name. And then everything should have an alt tag, an alt text. So that'll be something that we should start adding to all the images. I'll help with that, of course. And let's go back to images. So content, files, thumbnails. You can get directly to it from there. Here's the list of images as well. Again, so you can go to the thumbnails. So we're going to switch over now. Let me just give you one. So again, so here are the images. I want to switch over now. So I use banners underscore, but the last time I did it is slide banners. They're all it all depends what name you want to use, but I would keep it banner underscore, whatever the name is, slide underscore. It's up to you. I want to go back actually to content and show you one other thing of just how the pages are made. All calendars will put calendar item events. And here is where I'll go through each one. So articles are for the blog, so let's filter. And then we're going to edit this one here, which is a new one, or just probably the newest one. here you see that you can put the media file in. It could be an image, it could be a video. I think there's video, the name, if it belong, and we can add better categories to this. We're not using the category engine, but that's something we can use. And then oh, that was just the video, yeah. So we just used the video on that one. Let's go back one. Let's go to, let's go to this one. And so here we see, so this used an image. Let's edit that image. So Comcast one, it says a JPEG. So it gives you the name. Again, alt tags are great to put in. All that's for SEO. Here's the information. Again, you see the editor, and then you just need to save it. At some point, it'll probably be good to bring in more blog categories. So that's that one. Let me show you. So let's reset it here. Let me show you. Let me see here. So event clients you don't use. Let me tell you the ones you don't use. Clients, gallery categories, product displays, and team. You use all calendars. Emerson, Heights, Mission, Navajo is specific. So one person or somebody will be entering those, but they'll go into their specific ones. Web forms for the different forms. Gallery is for the images. Those you will, so you can add to the gallery. You can add to, let me show you a gallery one, just so you can show you how you can pick what gallery it goes into. So that's day to day. So I named them that way, but you can actually name them specific names. I just didn't know what things belong to other than the category. But yeah, so you select the category here. So that image goes to that category, or it can go to any one of those depending on where it belongs to. And you can give it a different name. So let's go back to content. And this is about it. Let me just show you here. Oh, we reset it. And I think this is it, but let me see if there's something else specific. So you have the events. Those are for major events. Blue door and stuff like that. Heights, team, web form. Yeah, I think that was it. Let me show you that one real quick. Filter. And these events, so like the blue door, so 2016, you probably want to change the date on this so it actually appears, but you probably have to pick the right date. Let me see, April 9th. So April 9th. So April 9th at, we'll leave it at 5:30. Let's save that. Okay, I think I actually did an update. So we'll end here. Let me just look home. And sorry, special events. It's almost ready. Thinking. Yes, the blue door. Yeah, so that wasn't appearing before because they had the other date on it, the 2015 date. So that's important that these will appear by date. So that was good that I showed you that, and that's the end of content, files, and media and files.